And here you see that I'm just basically doing everything by hand. So I'm sewing this, and I could use a hot glue gun, but a girl, I didn't have one. So with that being said, I had to do what I had to do. And here I just have a base idea of how I want to lay things out. So I have my base color, and then in between I will put all the other coordinating pretty colors like the shinies, the the rhinestones, and the different variations of green. And this is the finished look. As you can see, I added some little silver to give it a little more feminine, whimsical look. And y'all, when I tell you that this is the best freaking costume I could make, like, I am happy. It was time consuming, y'all. It was long. It took me like 2 days. One, because my back was hurting, and two, because every little piece was hand stitched. So, man, but I wouldn't change it for the world, and it turned out better than expected. Like, I was so happy when to do this, like, very, very happy. Yeah, and everything just flows so nicely together. And this, man, I had to get creative on that. So I thought I had the skewers, but I didn't. So I just used the highlighter, and it was the perfect fit once I added the tape. And the ornament was for to put the coordinating colors of her dress inside to give it that more magical kind of feel. And right after I did it, I gave it to KK. She threw it in the trash. Like, girl, don't nobody want this? I was so hurt. Anyway, but she definitely gonna put that on for Halloween because she got me messed up. But this is what I was telling you about when you just put the colors into the ornament. And I used the twine from the Christmas area to wrap it around. I thought that gave it a more glammy, fairy kind of look. It was pretty cool. And I like the wine. Ain't nothing wrong with it, y'all. Nothing was wrong with it. That one was wrong at all. And it's poo-poos. It was turned out so cute. Oh my goodness. I couldn't find a better way to make them. And this is the shirt. Now, I just want to warn you guys, because we cutting into it. Use clothes that they're no longer wearing for this, because you're going to be cutting into it. And I just cut the spaces a finger width apart. And here you will see me adding the same colors that I got from the skirt. I will do at the top. So for each slit, you want to do the color of your choice, and then tie it off, and that will make it stay. So you don't have to sew this part. And then I trimmed it to size, so I didn't want it extra long to irritate them while they was outside trick or treating. And this is what I'm talking about after I trimmed it. Still bushy enough to cover the seams, but short enough to where it won't be irritated. And this is Poo Poo's. This is her finished look. I just wanted to show you how hers turned out, because her pattern was different, so it was more beefier and cuter. So yeah, and that's what I was just doing in front of her. So I did KK's in like a tassel form. So basically, you'll just get the strips, you'll just put them in loops, and then just put the little shiny band around it to give it that glam look, and attached it with thread, and I was done. And I did Poo Poo's above, so you can see hers and stuff. And I curled her ends. For KK's, I thought of like, hey, let me just leave it straight to be kind of different, because it's already curly, but it didn't turn out. It was everywhere, so I'm like, let me just curl it anyway. And that's what you'll see me doing here. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Sneak peek. Now, I added the band around their head. I will finish it off with something more special looking, but that's all what I got for now, y'all. But stay blessed and stay positive, and You guys have a good day. See you in my next video. Bye.